Hello and welcome to today's video on 5 side hustles that can earn you over $100 a day. If you're looking for ways to make some extra money, these side hustles are perfect for you. And today, we'll be using the power of AI to help us discover these side hustles. Social Media Manager. As social media continues to play a significant role in marketing and brand building, businesses are always in need of social media managers to manage their accounts. As a social media manager, you can earn up to $30 per hour, depending on the company and your level of experience. Your job will involve creating social media content, managing social media accounts, and engaging with followers. To become a social media manager, you can sign up for freelance websites such as Freelancer and Upwork, or offer your services directly to businesses. Transcriptionists are in high demand, as many companies and individuals need their audio and video recordings transcribed into written text. As a transcriptionist, you can earn up to $25 per hour, depending on the complexity of the transcription and your level of experience. To become a transcriptionist, you need a good ear for listening and the ability to type accurately and quickly. You can sign up for transcription websites such as Rev and Transcribe Me, or offer your services directly to clients. Graphic Designer. Graphic designers are always in demand as businesses and individuals need graphic design work for their websites, social media accounts, and marketing materials. As a graphic designer, you can earn up to $40 per hour, depending on your level of experience and the complexity of the project. To become a graphic designer, you need to have good design skills and knowledge of graphic design software such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. You can sign up for graphic design websites such as 99 Designs and Design Crowd, or offer your services directly to clients. Online Course Creator. As online education continues to grow, the demand for online courses and training programs has also increased. As an online course creator, you can earn up to $100 per day or more, depending on the topic and demand for your course. To become an online course creator, you need to have expertise in a particular subject and the ability to create engaging and informative courses. You can create your courses on platforms such as Udemy and Teachable, or offer your services directly to businesses and individuals. Virtual Bookkeeper. As a virtual bookkeeper, you can earn up to $60 per hour, depending on your level of experience and the complexity of the bookkeeping tasks. Your job will involve managing financial records, creating reports, and reconciling accounts for businesses and individuals. To become a virtual bookkeeper, you need to have a good understanding of bookkeeping principles and knowledge of accounting software such as QuickBooks. You can sign up for virtual bookkeeping websites such as Bookminders and Belay Solutions, or offer your services directly to businesses and individuals. In conclusion, these 5 side hustles are great options if you're looking to make some extra money. With the help of AI, we were able to discover these side hustles and learn about the potential earnings. Whether you're a social media manager, a transcriptionist, a graphic designer, an online course creator, or a virtual bookkeeper, there are many opportunities to earn $100 or more per day. So, pick the one that suits your skills and interests, and start making some extra cash today.